Are you looking for a solution to deaden sound, dampen sound during a construction remodeling project? Maybe you play music, maybe your neighbors play music, and you're trying to dampen some of that sound from coming through a wall or a doorway. These sound blankets are a great option. We've got two sizes available, an 80 by 72 and an 80 by 96 that you see here. They've got a row of grommets on one long end and one short end for easy hanging. These are made with a very thick, durable cotton material in the center. So unlike some of our competitors that may repurpose a moving blanket for a sound blanket, these are designed as truly a sound blanket. Depending on how they're used, we've seen tests where it lowered the decibel level 25% or more. So great option here for hanging on a wall, draping over potentially a piano or an instrument to deaden the sound. Again, using during a remodeling project, especially in an apartment or a townhouse. These are a great option for deadening the sound. Won't soundproof a room, but it'll greatly reduce the decibel level getting through the walls and the doorways.